Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making iced lemon loaf cake. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need lemons, eggs, whole milk, sour cream, baking soda, baking powder, flour, granulated sugar, powdered sugar, salt, vegetable oil, vanilla, and lemon pudding mix. In a large bowl, combine 1 3/4 cups of flour, a package of lemon pudding mix, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Freshly squeeze 1/4 cup of lemon juice. For the wet ingredients, we're going to combine 3 large eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. Slowly combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Pour the cake batter into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Bake at 350 degrees for 60 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. For the icing, combine 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Allow the cake to cool for 2 hours or until completely cool. Once the cake is cool, pour over the icing and allow it to set for 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, iced lemon loaf cake. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.